Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi A4 Allroad 2 litre TDI 40 Sport S Tronic quattro, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in terra grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the terra grey metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you can find that you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you have that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, as well as buttons to change your information panel. And as well as this, you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. On your digital dash, you were able to see that this vehicle has done 38,059 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Audi infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving, along with your Audi Drive Select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate located in the front, so you and your passenger travelling in the front with you can individually set the temperature, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats. This has been a presentation on the Audi A4 Allroad 2 litre TDI 40 Sport S Tronic quattro that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.